Oh la la, once again, here we go. Well, welcome back first, my beautiful people of the internet. And I don't know, have you seen the Google event last night? But that is not the story for today, but it is important because Samsung mentioned or did an announcement right after that Google event. And it is an important announcement for your Galaxy Watch 4 and the missing Google Assistant. And I know it feels like a never-ending story, right? But you know what? My mission is to keep you up to date. Samsung announced the following. As we celebrate 1 year of collaboration and success, we are opening up the ecosystem even further by bringing new experiences and benefits to the Galaxy Watch 4 users. Okay, so far so good, but check this out. This summer, I am excited to share that Galaxy Watch 4 users will be able to download Google Assistant to their devices, featuring faster and more natural voice interactions, enabling quick answers and on-the-go help. Before I continue, I want to highlight this. I mean, look, depending on where you live, right? Summer ends beginning mid-September. So Samsung and or Google, please, for the love of God, please make sure it will be released beginning of summer like now. But here is what you can do with the Google Assistant and your Galaxy Watch 4. Soon, our users can control Spotify with Google Assistant and change songs on the fly using only their voice. And yes, that is something we are looking forward to, but there's more. Later this year, even more of Google apps and services will be optimized for Galaxy Watches, once again delivering the most comprehensive and seamless wearable device experience with Android smartphones.